Nestled in downtown Great Falls, the Gibson Hotel has brought what was once a thriving building back to life after years of needing desperate renovation.
They have done an amazing job of renovating this hotel. This is their first anniversary. They weren't able to do the ribbon cutting at the opening. So we're
So yeah, we're down here with the chamber. We did our ribbon cutting. We're super excited. People love us. Yeah, it's been a good year.
After several setbacks, the team has brought this old hotel into the 21st century.
And when the owner came, wanted to kind of make this a Four Seasons type hotel, enclose the spaces, and restructure and build, an obvious entrance. It was, for its time, the 70s, it was a very sort of run-of-the-mill hotel configuration.
So the owner bought it 5 years ago. There was a fire and COVID hit and a lot went into it. So we had an interior designer. Allison is her name. Yeah, she's from Oregon, and it was pretty much all up to her.
And then by and large, the constraints of the room were what they were. We didn't really change those, but for the fact that we pulled out and revised everything in terms of plumbing and heating and cooling and all of that. Big project, thorough, upside down and backwards. So
the new Gibson is aiming at a higher end crowd.
So we're aimed towards business travelers and older couples. All of our rooms are one bed. We also offer a complimentary beverage at check-in. We got beer, wine, water, San Pellegrino, and of course complimentary cookies.
With everything complete, the hotel has a stunning design and is ready for visitors.
I love the lobby. I mean, the fact is we've turned this into a 3-story space. We're standing in one of the upper floors. We can look out and beyond. It was meant to be a bit dramatic, and I think it does that.
No, we're just super thrilled to be here. We love Great Falls, and we're excited to bring something positive to Great Falls.
Now with renovations completed, the Gibson's ready for visitors coming to Great Falls. In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.